Darla Soler, sabi niya, admitted siya, mababash siyang talaga dahil sa kanyang katanungan na ipinost niya 42 minutes ago. 42 minutes ago, pero ganun lang kabilis ang mga komento na umabot sa thread na ito. Umabot ito ng 1.6 thousand replies. O, diba? Sabi niya kasi sa katanungan niya, mabash na naman ako sa tanong ko. Pero, go! Ano ba talaga? Kairen o Jar Fiang? And of course, my GM Fiang. O diba? Si Jar Fiang, Kairen, or GM Fiang? Ano daw ba talaga? Naguguluhan siya. So, sabi dito, Jar Fiang Lethal. Grabe daw ang hatak ng Jar Fiang. Si Fiang at si Jar... Ano pangalan Jar? Wait. Kalis ang alam ko niyan eh. Wait. Sabi naman dito, Jar Fiang FTW po. The last ship standing. Kairen po ang ship niya. Samantala, JM Fiang will always be at the top. Yan ang sabi. Malamang po, Jar Fiang po tayo. Maraming Kairen, maraming Jar Fiang. Bakit kaya? Sino ba talaga? Ito, Jar Fiang. Jaren and Fiang. Jaren pala yan. Kala ko yun si Scales. Hindi pala. Si Jaren Garcia at saka si Fiang Smith. Sabi ni Adele, gusto niya si Kai Montinola and si Jaren Garcia. And sa kanila naman, JM Fiang naman sa iba. So, sino ba talaga ang gusto nyong ipasikat? Yan po ang ating aabangan. Yes, Darla Soler, I don't think mababash ka ng mga tao. You are just curious lang naman kung sino ba talaga ang mas gusto ng mga tao na sisikat sa mga love team na lumalabas from PBB Big Winner or PBB Big House, rather say. So, JM Fiang ba? Jar Fiang ba? Kairen ba? Or Jar Fiang? O, diba? Tatlong pamilian lang ba? Ganon. Akala ko si Kai Ren ay si Kai at saka si Rain Silmar. Hindi pala. Si Kai Montinola pala at saka si Jaren Garcia. O si Jaren Garcia or si Fiang Smith ba ang gusto ninyo? Or si JM Ibarra ba? Or si Fiang Smith? Aalamin natin kung sino nga ba ang pipiliin ng masa sa mga ship na ito na galing sa PBB House Generation 11. Alexander Lexter Jules, magandang hapon po.
That's so cute. It's like we're in LDR. Legit. LDRs.
I can see your blue eyes smiling at me. I can feel you just like sitting next to me.
Beautiful, 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 beautiful angel.
You know what? Do you remember what I told you inside the house? Like,
what? There's so
wait,
many
hold on. I'm not done. Oh my god. Like I said, oh my god. You know what? I'm looking forward to performing you
on NASA.
NASA.
Yeah.
Ikaw rin. Ikaw rin.
Why not?
Do you remember what song that was? I said.
Oh no.
It's duet, right? Oh, they finished.
Who is?
Them.
What's that? Oh. If I'm gonna have a duet with Darren, I want to sing Uptown Funk.
Why that? Out of all the songs in the whole entire world.
Uptown Funk and Almost Never Enough.
Oh, okay, yeah, that
Right?
one, man. But not Uptown Funk.
Why?
Uptown Funk you up.
Bro,
Uptown Funk you up.
So, like a song we can dance to, you know? Like perform.
Okay.
Did you hear the birds singing for you? Did you hear the winds whisper? Like I promised, they're my present for you. I really hope you like them too. Don't forget, you're the only one I love.
Gusto nyo bang makita ang chart niya?
Nade-develop ka na ba kay Sam, isa sa mga ano, like kay Jaren?
I chose you because I had a chance.
Tama na, Wancho, please. I never cheated on you.
Harapin natin to.
We were together for
Harapin
4
mo ako.
years.
Panindigan natin to.
Wancho! Wancho,
Nandito
tama na.
ako.
You got never
Harapin
cheated on
natin
you.
to. Panindigan naman natin
Together
to.
for 4 years.
Sarap yan pero hindi mo namamalayan. Tatamaan ka na dyan, traidor yan. Say ano, no comment, alis ka na naman.
Tama na, Wancho, please. I never cheated on you. We were together for 4 years. Hinayaan kong baguhin mo ang buhay ko. It's too much. I don't wanna go back.
Zay, please.
Wancho!
Nandito ko, harapin natin to, panindigan at man natin to. Aalis ka na naman?
Tama na, Wancho, please. I never cheated on you. We've been together for 4 years. Hinayaan kong baguhin mo yung buhay ko. It's just too much. I don't wanna go back anymore.
Zay, please!
Wancho!
Nandito ako, harapin natin to. Panindigan naman natin to.
Stars are waving to